Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, June 17th, 8:40 a.m. Central Time. We're looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart for right now. We can see that my prediction is coming true and price action is almost following my squiggly lines down to this Fibonacci channel. We had a nice bounce off this trend line. We can definitely see Bitcoin is trading down slower. Let's look at a 1-day chart on this quick. Here we go. Okay, so we have more of a spinning top kind of candle here. That is good to see. We don't want to see any of this full body stuff without wicks on the top because that means heavy momentum to the downside. We want to kind of gently bounce off this Fibonacci channel line, and this is going to be at about the 37,000. So don't be surprised if you see Bitcoin drift to the 37,000. It might even wick down to the 35, 36,000. But if that happens, we can expect another bounce back up to the 40,000 level and maybe squeeze into the sliver a little bit more. Unfortunately, we do need to wait. 50s creeping on the 200 as well. RSI's mid-range, stochastics are overblown in what we would expect to see for an asset that is trading downward. Off to CKB quick. Bear with me 1 second. So we can see that CKB is still in the support region of this shift pitchfork. Now, for those of you that are not familiar, this orange line in the center is kind of the median line. Anything north is resistance, and anything south is support. Fibonacci time zone coming up as well, June 18th, about 11 a.m. So mark your calendars for that date and time. I think that might be a good guess as to when CKB is going to break free from this little symmetrical triangle. And being that we are kind of mid-range between this 50 and the 200, it's really tough to tell which way this is going to go. We could go up to the 50 and then back down and test the 200. Nobody knows for sure right now. But if we can break through this 50, I could definitely see CKB wandering on up to the 0.024-ish region and continuing out this ascending triangle. I have some big news for you guys on Nervos Network and the Golden Legend minting platform. Now, I am in touch with people at Golden Legend who are helping me right now get my NFT account set up. So once that's all set up, I'm going to be going away and giving out NFTs on my channel. I want to go into the comments section and then into the geographics of this channel as well. User Brad Maher pointed out or dropped a really nice comment, and I just wanted to kind of highlight this right now. To me, Nervos is going to do for crypto what hyperlinks did for the internet way back in the late 80s, early 90s. I'm almost 50, and to see this kind of technology forming is exciting back then as it is now. To be able to invest into the technology as definitive as Microsoft 3.0 and Mosaic makes me feel like a kid again. And I couldn't agree more with this comment. Nervos Network is a connecting cryptocurrency. We are going to connect everything together through this crypto. And that's kind of what hyperlinks did. We can connect MP3, MP4, other web pages, you name it, we can connect it through hyperlinks. And to draw this analogy is very interesting. So I looked at the charts, David Divergent. If you're watching this video, I will get to Internet Computer for you in the next video, and we will check that out. It's not looking good. So into the geographics of this channel, I just wanted to kind of show you guys this. I thought this was interesting as hell. And what I want you guys to look at here is the geography with me. Where people in the world are looking at Nervos Network. We have United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Indonesia, Germany, Australia, Netherlands, South Korea. These are some of the power hitters, I guess, as far as channel consumption goes for this channel. And what's interesting about this metric is we are so far away from each other, but then so close over Nervous Network. I just think that is fascinating as hell. So we can definitely look at some other metrics such as viewer age. A lot of people in this 25 to 34, 35 to 44-year-old range are the main consumers. And this is the age range right now. Actually, if all of these age ranges, if all the people, it doesn't matter what age range you're in, if you're watching these videos and are interested in crypto and are here for the long run, you're going to make a lot of money. But this is definitely interesting to see how much more of an attention span the 35 to 44-year-olds have over the 25 to 34-year-olds. I'm kidding, okay? So that is interesting me. I thought I would share those metrics with you all. Drop me a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to hear from you in the comments section as well. Thank you all for tuning in, and let me know what country you're from. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day, everyone.